Trade recap, y'all. So, obviously, 4 hour market structure is bullish. We broke here above the high, so that means we're looking for shorts down to high time frame points of interest, and then longs out of there. Our long targets would be 4 hour highs, 4 hour imbalance, hourly highs, 4 hour imbalance, this gap again. Same as yesterday, equilibrium of that range marked out again, which has been hit. So it is sort of hinting at going lower, but 4 hour structure is bullish, and that's what we go off. This is ES. We'll cover NQ in a minute. We took a trade on it yesterday. So, whoa. So that water I just drank. So, in addition, we have right here hourly imbalance and hourly highs, and also equilibrium from these lows up to these highs, green line, equilibrium of the range. Now we want to see shorts or moves down into this imbalance, into equilibrium, sweeping out hourly lows to then go long. And as you can see, well, it happened quite perfectly. So we did sweep the lows pre-market, but as market opened, ES pushed into this hourly imbalance, this one here, along with entering the discounted price range from these lows to these highs. And that's really what we'd like to see. And then get rid of this for a second. Yeah. So pretty much price came down, filled hourly imbalance, filled the hourly discounted price range, hit equilibrium, whatever you want to call it, and then we get this big leg up, which invalidates this imbalance on the 1 minute. That's a bit bigger for you. There we go. So this move up invalidated that imbalance, and then we created this imbalance here, along with equilibrium from this low to this high, and we come in, this candle here fills the imbalance and equilibrium. We get a reaction out, and we hadn't broken 1 minute structure yet. I wanted to wait just for one more confirmation to go up. That was this 1 minute break of structure right here. Here's the high, closed above. We got our entry there right as that candle opened. Our stop was just at these lows. Perfect 40 tick stop loss. Risked exactly $500. And our target was those news highs, because we had PCE price index at 830, consumer sentiment at 10. We didn't wait for that consumer sentiment. We just waited for, the other one was pre-market. So that created this news high. We want to come and take that out at least. And that was quite simple. This imbalance that we've marked out, this one here, held strong the whole time. As you can see, still holding strong. And we had a little bit of profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown. And I was, obviously, the rule I've set for myself is never close anything unless it's stop loss or take profit or break even after one take profit's been hit. And we just held on to it, and then news came out at 10 and gave us that final push up to those news highs that took it out. If we had targeted higher as our first take profit, that 4 hour hourly imbalance, sorry, this one here, then we still would have been fine. Even the top of it, bottom of that one, anything really. But the news high was the safest option that we went for. Nice and simple. Yeah, NQ, bit of a different story. So similar situation. We are 4 hour bullish, want to come down and fill this hourly imbalance And we had equilibrium marked out here. And then instantly as market opened, huge sell-off down to these hourly lows. ES never got to these hourly lows. The NQ came down to those hourly lows and filled out this hourly imbalance now as well. But it did hit that hourly equilibrium. But if we had took the trend NQ, we wouldn't have got up to news highs at all. So we made the right decision today, which is always good. I'm happy with my trade. As you can see, bing bang bosh, nice and simple. Today we made $608. It was a 1.23 RR. Account balance 51,679. It's halfway to the target. And this week overall finished 2% up. We started the week at 50,600. We have ended the week at 51,600. So overall, I'm happy with this week. Can't complain at all. And yeah, that's it really. I can't think of anything else to add other than bomb trade, I guess. Yeah, I will see you all next week.